Hello everyone, I've heard that a lot of people playing this game, so I will play this game. It's called Will You Press the Red Button? Okay, so master every martial arts in the world, but your first opponent is Chuck Norris. I'll do it. I would do it. I'd die. 76% of people. Oh, yes. Yes. Write this to them. I'll say it was good. You wake up the next morning as your preferred gender. Everyone recognizes you as such. You pass. But a friend you have dies. And if you have no friends, a relative you like dies. Oh, I will not press it. I wouldn't even want to press it. Oh, so good at this game. Normal. Your favorite books get made into a movie, but Nicolas Cage stars. I don't know who that is, so I'm going to search him. Nicolas Cage. Nicolas Cage. My favorite movie, but Nicolas Cage gets to star. Depends on the movie. I would say yes. I would click the button. Yes! You get $16 now, but you're not allowed to enter Kenya and North Korea for the rest of your life. I don't want $16. No. What? No. Humanity can travel and colonize the stars and other galaxies faster than light. There will be one world government. I cannot press that button. I just can't. Oh, come on! So terrible at this game. You become a Nyan cat. I'll be glad to do that. I'll do it. Oh, come on. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's perfect. You'll be able to project spirit like a ghost. You can see other ghosts and talk, etc. And wander the world. When you get to think of a place, you get taken there. And you get taken there. And you return to leave your body as you please. You will get super, very horrifying, realistic nightmares and have strange markings on your body. Sorry. I would not. That's good. That's good. That's good. You can create anything you think of in a matter of seconds, but it will be destroyed within 10 minutes. Okay, I'll do it. Oh, good. Perfect. You can know exactly when and how you will die, but you will no longer be able to prevent this death. No, I would never do that. Wait, did I press it? You can travel in time, but you age at 4 times the normal rate. I'll do it. Travel in time, I could travel just back. What? I can travel in time, whatever. Justin Bieber dies, but Selena Gomez turns into a clone of Miley Cyrus. I don't really care. Wow. Okay. Able to change appearance at will. Entire body will change. But the process is extremely painful and will take 10 minutes. No. Why would I do that? No. I don't even care. Just... you can change your name to anything you want, but people will always give you an annoying nickname for it. Okay, I'll do it. I don't really care. People already give me annoying nicknames. I don't really care. You can have any ability or superpower you desire, but you can't use it to enchant your life or anybody else. I'd do that. I will. Yes, finally. Okay, guys. I hope you like this game. And I'll leave it in the description below if you would like to play it. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button. And if you really appreciate this game, subscribe. And thanks for watching.